Hi and welcome back to my channel. This week's problem is about finding the area of this shape. We have got in the bottom left corner, where I've labelled it A, an angle of 55 degrees, and we've got some sides that are the same length, have a length of 4, as you can see labelled on there, so AB, BC, DF, and we've got right angles identified on this shape as well. Can you find the blue area? How quickly can you find it? And what's the neatest solution you can find? Now, I'm going to show you two solutions, two ways to solve this, two ways that I think are really quite neat in the next few seconds. So if you want to solve this problem yourself and you haven't already, pause the video now. Otherwise, I'm going to show you my solution in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the first method I'm going to use, I'm going to basically turn this into a triangle. Okay, I'm going to label the 4 centimeters on there, and I'm going to extend to the sides, the left and the right hand side, to make a triangle. Now we know there's got to be a right angle at that apex there, because we've got a right angle here, and we're just extending this line and extending this line. So this will also have to be a right angle, because this side here is parallel to this side. Okay, because of, again, that right angle there. We've also got right angle here, right angle would be here, right angle would be here. 3 right angles, the last one has to be a right angle. Okay, next thing to do then is, because I've labelled each of these sides that are 4 centimeters with 4 centimeters, I can clearly see that this will also be 4 centimeters, because it has to be the same length as this side. Okay, now I don't know the other length, so I'm going to call that X. But what I've got now is a triangle, and we know how to work out, hopefully everybody knows how to work out watching this video, at least the area of a triangle, half the base times the perpendicular height. And because we've got this right angle here, it's quite nice and easy to do a half of 4 plus x times by 4 plus 4, which is 8, and then minus that rectangle, which is going to be 4x. Now, if we start simplifying this, what we get is a half times 4 plus x times 8 minus 4x. The half times the 8 becomes 4. And then we've got 4 times by 4 plus x, which will give us 16 plus 4x minus the 4x for the rectangle, gives us a final answer of 16 units squared for the area, which is a pretty nice answer and a nice solution, I think, a nice way of solving that problem. Now, there's a second method which I think is just as good, nice, just as nice. I'm gonna leave it as nice, just as nice. Now we've got this shape here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate it. Now what I've then got with two of these shapes is I've got two squares, because as you can see, these sides are the same length, so that would be 4, obviously it's labelled 4, and this would be 4, okay, and this would be 4, and then because this left hand side is 4, if we were to extend this side, which we'll do in a second, that will also be 4, and we've got the same situation in this right hand square. Okay, now 4 by 4 in a square gives us an area of 16. And the other one also got an area of 16. So that means the total area of this shape is 32. We've got 2 of the original shape. So that means that to get the area of this, we halve the 32 and we get 16 units squared again. Pretty nice. I like the symmetry involved in that one. Always like using symmetry where you can. Now, if you were able to solve this problem yourself and you found a different way or a quicker way, or you just want to tell me how quickly you worked it out, let me know down in the comments below. I've labelled, you will have seen that at the start, the vertices, so you can explain your solution below. And actually the 55 degrees in this problem wasn't important at all, it was just a red herring. Although you could use it if you wanted to, although you don't need to at all, as you've seen. Now, if you're not already, please consider liking the video if you liked it and subscribing to the channel. I release a new problem solving video 5 PM every Monday. And just like one of my old favourite YouTubers used to do, put a cute dog picture up to help you to subscribe. If you like dogs, you're going to have to subscribe to see new dog pictures, cute dog pictures, every week. So yeah, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Well, have a great week, everybody, and I will see you next week for another problem solving video. Till then, bye bye.